Okay, so a lot of you guys were not happy about the fact that I didn't play music out of the XBOOM mini speaker when I reviewed it, even though I gave my good reasons, because it's going to depend on the quality of the original file. Is it MP3, is it WAV, etc., etc. What's playing it is going to affect the quality. Then it's going to play through the speaker, then it's going to play into the microphone here on the camera, so it's going to be translated that way. Then recorded digitally, then it's going to be changed, converted to a different digital format in the making of the video for YouTube. Then it's going to be dependent upon what speakers you're listening to it through on YouTube. But I understand, so you just want to hear it to at least know it works anyway. So I'm going to oblige you guys with playing some tracks. Now, some of these are copyrighted tracks, which means I can only play like 10 or 15 seconds of them and still be within the correct parameters. Other ones are tracks that I own the rights to use in my videos, and so those I can play a little bit more of. So anyway, here we go. Hopefully it comes across. Pretty rich sound. I mean, acoustic piano is, as far as capturing all the sound of that for a small speaker, does a good job. More of a rock, electric guitar vibe. Now some vocals.
I threw a wish in a well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trained myself for a
Now a little more orchestrated music that will leave some wind instruments maybe. A little bit more jazzy sound. Try to put some samplings of different kinds of music so you could hear different types of instruments and things.
have a drink, clink, found the Bud Light. Bad girls like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, oh, let's off with your hair. Dance, dance, dance till you're dead. Off with your hair. Dance, dance, dance till you're dead. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch. I paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence, but
And that's it. Hopefully that gave you enough samples, and hopefully the sound, you know, comes across well enough so that you can tell it does a good job and sounds, you know, for such a small speaker, it sounds really good, really rich, and really full. Obviously not going to sound like a huge surround sound system, not meant to, but for what it is, for such a small speaker, it produces a great sound, and hopefully that comes across in the video. Of course, there's going to be a link down below. You can click to check it out on Amazon and read other people's reviews, so you can see what other people think besides me. Reviewed very highly on Amazon. You can pick it up there as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Click the like button. Maybe you clicked the unlike button because you were mad because I didn't play music through it on my original review. So you can click the like button here, and you can share it with anyone you want. All that good stuff. Subscribe to my channel. Watch my other reviews. Yada yada yada. Until next time, have a great day.